Welcome to Embedded Academy. In this tutorial, we will interface an RGB LED with the AT51 microcontroller using Embedded C.
An RGB contains 3 LEDs inside a single package: red, green, and blue. By combining these colors, many lighting effects can be created. The red pin is connected to port 2 pin 0, the green pin to port 2 pin 1, and the blue pin to port 2 pin 2. This program controls 3 output pins. It turns on the red, green, and blue LEDs one after another. 3 symbolic names are created for the RGB LED pins, making the program easy to read and understand. The delay function creates a visible pause between color-to-color transitions. First, the red LED turns on while the green and blue LEDs remain off. Next, the green LED turns on while the other colors remain off. Finally, the blue LED turns on, completing the color cycle.
As the program runs, the RGB LED continuously cycles through red, green, and blue colors. Congratulations! You have successfully interfaced an RGB LED with the AT51 microcycles the RGB LED through red, green, and blue colors.